Sige na. Go, Lian. Sige na. Practice write your name. Yeah, you know. Don't ask me, just surprise mommy. Ito talaga yung problema basta ano guys, mahaba yung pangalan. Goy, luoy kayong bata. Sige. What's that?
A.
Sige.
M.
N. Sige. Anong di man na pula? Irisa.
My tired.
Ayaw lagi magtinapulan.
Up last night.
What?
My tired up last night.
Sige na. Hindi magtinapulan. Ikaw ha? Pinakahit niya yung magsulat. Gusto lang niya yung siya yung parang oral recitation ba? Sige na. Pinakahit niya yung magsulat talaga. Sige na. Ayaw maglisi. Ane, can you turn off the TV please?
B. Here.
Next. What's next?
R.
Okay.
Here.
Very good. Next. What's that?
Here. E is here.
Very good. Next. What's that? Very good. Next.
L. Here. Here.
Yeah, follows. Follow
Also
sa
here.
on. Sige. Tanawa mo sa baba. Okay, good. Next.
Next is
Very good, Lian. Next.
like
Hindi ko kita.
this.
Yeah. A. Mana na? Next. I.
Here.
Yeah. Good. Very good.
Here.
Oh, very good, Lian. So, next.
And
Good. Wow, very good. Amazing. Sakto na. That's enough. Next. Okay.
This is enough.
Yeah. Finish. Next. What's that?
J.
Oh, J.
Here.
Good. Very good. Next. What's next? Very good. Next.
Then E.
Good.
Here.
Sige. Very good. Amazing, Lian.
O. Here. O.
Di na O. G.
G. Here. Circle here.
Tara. Very good.
Then next is O. Like that.
Good. Oo. Very good, Lian. Dako gamay. Irisa na. Oh, like that. Irisa na. Balik ka, Irisa. Good. Sige.
O like this.
Oh, good. Very good. Next. Na. Dayon. Yeah. One. Sige, another one.
Here.
Dayon. Na pod. Tama na. Ana. That's letter
E.
M. M.
Then next is
Ay, palayo. Irisa.
here.
Very good. Next.
Next is R.
Yeah.
Here.
Ay, palayo. Irisa. Ay, palayo lagi.
Almost done.
Yeah. Yeah, palayo.
This last. Last here.
Yeah, last there. Yeah.
Huh?
Sige na, kapag makaslip ta. Okay, R. Next is R.
Here?
Yeah. Anong lapas mo? Gamay ra, R mo na. Yeah, he's doing great. You see? See, R.
Yeah, it's doing good.
Yeah.
Doing really good.
Good. No, next.
Really
Then
looking
next
good.
is
Doing really
here.
good.
E. Good. Oh, wow. His favorite is letter E. Next.
Here.
Yeah.
And
A. That's all. A. Next. Next. N.
Next is like this. This.
Yeah. Good.
And next is this.
Yeah, what's that? U.
You.
Sige.
Like this.
Erisa, di na mao.
What's that?
U. This one.
Like this.
This one. Okay. Good. Oh, very good. Oh. Ay, lapas sa blue. Wala na lapas, oh.
Waist.
Good. Very good, Lian. So far, mabasa-basa naman pangalan niya.
That's enough.
Ay, last. Hey, last na lang, last. Please. Sige na. Sige na. Okay, last na lang ka, matulog ta. Oh. So far, mabasa-basa naman yung pangalan niya, diba? Ito yung ngagi niya. Yung... Sige na. Getting better na. Ayun ko lang kasi siya na, tunuan magsulat. Pero yung numbers, ABCD, alam niya man. Pero yung pangalan niya talaga, ngayon ko lang na, nasa kanya ba, nagturo. Kaya, nahirapan pa siya. Sige na, nak. Sige na, please. Sige na, kahapit na, last na lang.
Big.
Ay, ipalayo. Padool, Erisa. Naku, apod. Ana, good.
Here.
Babaw na.
Here.
Next.
The next is the R.
Ay, ipalayo, padool.
Here.
Di na maong R. Erisa. Tanawa na, oh. Tanawa. Sige na, para matulog na ta.
Last like this. Last here.
Oh, sige, last. That's last na.
Last he will be over here.
Faster, Lian.
Make it faster. Maybe tomorrow, mommy. After I go back to school, I'll write my name. Here.
Ano, di mababaw ng R. Padool, ragamay, lagi. Ano, ipalayo man mo ng R. Diya.
Here.
Good. Sige. Next.
The next is
I.
I.
Ay, E. Eagle. E. Ay, palayo. Padol.
Here.
Good. Next.
Then what else?
Oh, ayaw lang kasi. Napay ay. Ayaw palayo. Padol lang. Oh, na. Good.
Here else. Here.
Ayaw kita asa na. Good. Next. Sige, almost done na ka. Irisa na. Ano man na? Ayaw na sunod. Padool. Irisa na. Padool. Sige.
Here.
Ayaw, wag sugod diha. Good. Next.
Next this.
What's that? Good. Very good, Lian. Anak na. Oh, good. Next. Good.
And
Oh, very good. Next.
J. Here.
Sige, more. Ay! Taas ng J. Erisa.
Here.
Di pa yun.
Here.
Lian, taman sa blue. Oh, blue. Paubos. Erisa.
Here.
Like that. Very good. Good job, Lian. Amazing. Wow, very good. Wow, very good, Lian. Almost there. Almost na, almost. What's that? Oh, good.
Here.
Okay, good. Para, ubos pa. Sige. Good job, Lian.
Here. Here.
Erisa, tama na. Tanawa na ako yun sana. Erisa. Ikan sa blue?
Done.
No, blue to blue na.
What?
Sige, balik. Tanawa ako. Sundan na ako. N, oh, dako na N. Sige. Oh.
Here.
Ubos pa. Sige, padayon. Oh, good. Very good, Lian.
Here.
Good. Idot ka, di kayo maklaro. Sige, next. E. Oh, sige. Oh, anak na.
E.
Good. Very good. Favorite niya, letter E.
Next circle. Here.
It's G. Sige.
G. Here.
Oh, yeah. Napaubos. Napit ra, oh. Irisa. Ay, pila ng E. Ang iris, G ra. Sige.
Here.
Ay, ganun na anak diha. Diri. Irisa.
Stop it.
Tanawa na asa nagbutang. Okay. Tapada sa E. Irisa ni mong E gapil, oh. Ikay almost na, matulog na ta. Ibalik ang iki na wala. Oh, good. Sige, letter G. Diha ra, tapad. Sige.
Here.
Diha, sige.
Here. Here. Next circle.
Yeah. Ay na. Tanawa daw na diyan.
Stop it.
Diri ang circle, then diri ang ikog sa ubos. Diha ang circle, ana. Sakto na.
It's done.
No, na pa, oh. Next.
Like oh. Here.
Sige, dako Ayo, oh. Anak, good. Very good, oh. Enough na.
Manage to get my boy.
Oh, sige na. Napa, last na lang, almost na lang, almost.
Boys don't kiss girls.
Okay. Next. M.
Kids don't kiss girls.
Good, Birsi.
Here.
Good, yan, good. Oh, like that. Oh, anak. Anak, okay na na.
The next is R.
I.
Right. Here. Then R. 2.
Very good. Next.
A.
Good.
Next is
N.
N. And what is N?
Yeah, sunda.
Like this.
Good. Next, last. What's last?
Last is this.
Yeah. You. Sige, matulog ka ta.
Here.
Ay, palayo. Dora, diya. Good.
Done?
Very good.
Done?
Yeah, you're done. Let me see. Wow, very good, Lian. Good job. Tomorrow again, okay? Not bad. Not bad for 1 week pa.
Okay, now.
Nag-study.
No, I'll turn TV.
Tamad siya magsulat talaga. I'm tired. Another.
Nope. But that's just later. It's tomorrow.
Why not tonight?
Because I retired.
Huh?
I'm retired.
You don't want to write? Okay?
Yeah, because I retired.
You need to practice, okay?
No, I'm tired.
Number na lang, write the number.
No,
Sige na.
tired.
Okay. Show daddy. Honey, come here. Look up. You did this.
Wow, it's
Not,
amazing.
not bad, yeah?
You can do it when you want to.
No, I'm not going to school.
Huh?
I'm not doing.
Nakulang man nag
Yeah.
diri oh. Wala ko nagumiri na. Okay, tomorrow again, okay?
Every day, practice so it gets easier.
Oh, you want more? You want again?
No.
Why not?
Because I'm tired. No, not again.
What are you trying to say?
No.
I want him to write again.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No!
Good night, it seems na. Good job, Leon. Very good, very good. Amazing! Wow, amazing, Leon. Not bad. For how many?
I just write my name.
Very good, Leon.
I just
Tomorrow
write,
again.
I just write my name. There's 5 minutes.
5 minutes na kami.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
5 minutes. 5.